Here's a great deal on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.